Today, the legendary Volkswagen Vento is back in the yard, this time with strange clutch noises. Most mechanics would replace the clutch kit, but not here. Our African masters do it their own way. Right on the street, the team quickly removes the wheel, lowers the engine with a jack, and drops the gearbox. In just a few minutes, the clutch is out in their hands. And here comes the twist. Instead of replacing it, the mechanic grabs sandpaper and carefully polishes the clutch disc and flywheel surface. Who needs new parts when you have skills, right? Bolts get tightened by mechanic's instinct. No fancy torque wrench needed. Let's place our bets. Gentlemen, how much longer will this Vento go on this clutch? Write in the comments. Then comes the best part, test drive. The hood is open, the gas pedal goes to the floor, first in reverse, then forward. And guess what? The Vento keeps going, ready to battle the dusty African roads once again. Sometimes you don't need expensive parts, just creativity, courage, and a little bit of sandpaper.